In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps over here. Now select App Twin. Click on gray switcher next to an app you wish to clone and wait. When you're finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use now blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!